Conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now let me open VS Code. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies, and I'm trying to opening Visual Studio Code through continuing CSS. We started CSS and we done a lot of selectors yesterday. Okay, so you do practice all the selectors over there. What are the different kind of selectors which are available? Now let me go through the one important concept in CSS called box model. Okay, so in CSS, okay, in kind of HTML, in the case of HTML, in case of HTML, in case of HTML, in case of HTML, every element, sorry, every element is a box. Every element is a box. For example, you are taking a paragraph, it's a box. You are taking a form, it's a box. You are taking a table, it's a box. You are taking headings, H1 to H6. All these are boxes. You are taking IMG, it's a box. You are taking a div is a box. You're taking any element that is basically a box. Okay, how this box model is going to be applicable in part of CSS, and what are the properties which are going to be available? One is the width property, one is the height property, one is the padding property, one is the margin property, one is the border property, one is the outline property. Okay, so through print I will explain all these things: margin, border, outline. Okay, so width property, height property, padding property, margin property, border property, outline property. Okay, let me tell you how these things are going to be working out. Just give me 1 second. I just want to save this. So imagine this is your web page. This is box model. This is box model. Okay, imagine this is the web page. In this web page, every element is a box. For example, you have header. You have header. Header is a box, and you have the left menu. Left menu is a box. You have the center menu. Center menu is a box. You have the footer. Footer is a box. Every element is a box. Okay, for example, I just took a simple paragraph here. I just took a simple paragraph here. Okay, one simple paragraph. What paragraph can contain with? What paragraph generally contain with? Some plain text, right? What paragraph can contain generally? What paragraph can contain generally? Some plain text. Am I right? Please respond with me. Please respond with me. What paragraph can contain? What paragraph can contain generally? Some plain text. So this particular paragraph should have some width. This particular paragraph should have some width. Here I will write a property, width property. Width is something like a horizontal space. Width is something like a horizontal space. The same paragraph which is going to be having some height. Height is basically called vertical space. Vertical space of the paragraph. Vertical space. Width is horizontal space. Height is vertical space. Width is horizontal space. Height is vertical space. Vertical space height. And horizontal space. Horizontal space width. Okay. Inside this paragraph, can you see and observe? Inside this paragraph, this is the paragraph text, right? This is the paragraph text. This is the paragraph text. Text is binding here. Text is binding inside the paragraph. In this paragraph, inside some space got omitted. Inside some space got omitted. Can you see and observe? On top some space is there. Left some space is there. and down we have some space, bottom we have some space, right side we have some space. And these particular inner spaces, are actually called, these inner spaces calling padding. Padding is nothing but inner space. Padding is nothing but inner space. Getting my point, guys? Getting my point? Padding nothing but inner space of element. Inner space of element. Padding nothing but inner space of element. In the box, I have the text, but text to box, some inner space is available. That inner space is called padding. And there is a one more space. You are having a main menu. For the main menu, you have the paragraph inside the main menu. So from the main menu to paragraph, some space got omitted. Outer space. Suppose, sir, whenever you are constructing the houses, how houses are constructing? House to house, some space is available, na? House to house, some space, some margin they have to provide. For example, two people are sitting side by side in the classroom. For these two people, some space is available. Some margin is going to be available. That is called margin. A person is going to be wearing a shirt. For example, I can able to suit with a large size shirt, but I wear double XL shirt. But my fitting is large. But I wear double XL. It means what? I need some space. I need some space for my body and my shirt. Okay, that is something like padding, and this is something like margin. Person to person, some space is going to be omitting. Person to person, some space is going to be omitting. That is actually called margin. Getting my point? Very clear. Slowly you can understand all these things. This is called margin. Outer space is having margin.
Omitting means,
Out,
sir?
uh,
Person to person space is omitting, you said, no? Omitting means?
Omitting means leaving, sir. Just you are giving. Omitting means you are giving up. Giving up means omit means
Okay.
giving. So there is a number of persons in the row. But people are actually sitting in the chairs. Chair to chair, some space is available, na? Chair to chair.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That particular space is actually called margins.
Okay, we'll
Sir,
define that
sir.
margin space, you mean to say. If chair
Yes,
to chair
yes,
we need
yes,
1 feet means, in
yes,
margin we will define.
yes,
Okay.
yes. For example, whenever you are writing examination, you are taking answer sheet. First of all, you take a scale in the schooling level. You take a scale and you are drawing some margins, na? Top
Right,
margin, left
right,
margin, right margin,
right,
and
right.
inside you are writing the answers. Some
Yes.
space you are omitting, some space you are
Okay.
giving. That is
Okay.
called margin. Okay, top
Okay.
margin you are providing, left margin you are providing, down margin you are providing, right margin you are providing. Okay,
Understood.
that is called margin.
Okay.
And from the margin you are not writing the answers, no? Again you are giving some space. Whenever you start
Yes.
writing, you are giving some space. That space, inner space is called padding.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me tell you.
Understood.
Let me tell you. This is the answer sheet. Huh? This is the answer sheet. Huh? Okay, this is the answer sheet. And for this answer sheet, first of all, you took a margins like this. You took a inner box again. This is the answer sheet. Blue is the answer sheet. Directly, you are not writing the answers in the schooling. Okay, you are drawing the margin first of all. It look neat actually. It look beautiful. And after that, you are trying to start your program, or you are writing your answer. Your answer is not starting from here. Your answer is from here. Okay. Hello, something like this. Okay, you're giving some space inside out. You're giving space also inside. Can you see and observe some space you're omitting here, and here also you're just giving some space. That inner space is called padding, and this outer space is called margin. Getting my point clear? Imagine this is the answer sheet. Whenever you are taking the answer sheet, first of all, you take a scale and drawing the things, drawing a box inside. And inside the box, you're trying to start writing the answer. When you are writing answer, you are just leaving some space and writing the answer. Am I clear?
Understood, sir.
Right. Very good. Okay. Same in the HTML and CSS also. You will be having elements. All the elements are treating as boxes. Every element treating as a boxes. And for box, we have these kind of properties: width property, height property, padding property, margin property, border property, outline property. Border is a simple decoration for element. Okay, for example, this is the element, red color is the element. Okay, I want to take a border of this element. I want to took a border of this element. This is a simple border. I want to took a border for this element. A border is a decoration. Border is a decoration. Suppose you're purchasing a gift. When you are purchasing a gift is element. Gift needs some pack. Gift needs some packing, na? Gift needs some normal paper packing. That is, paper packing means border. On top of the paper packing, box packing is there. Box packing is outline. On top of the paper packing, you will be having some other packing. That packing kind of thing is there. That kind of other packing. On top of the border, one more packing is there. That is something like extra decoration. Extra decoration is outline. Extra decoration is outline. Okay, let me write down here. Width is what? Horizontal space. Horizontal space of element. Height, vertical space of an element. Vertical space of an element. Padding. Padding is something like inner space. Inner space of an element. Inner space of an element. Margin. Margin is outer space of an element. Border. Border is simple decoration. Simple decoration for an element. Outline. Extra decoration. Extra decoration for an element. Okay. Simply I am writing the things. Simply I am writing the definitions. Width is what? Horizontal space. Height is what? Vertical space. Padding is the inner space. Margin is the outer space. Border is a simple decoration. Outline is the extra decoration. Okay, for example, there is one element. For that element, H1 is there. For H1, I want to give the width. Width of this H1, I can define some pixels. I can define some pixels. Okay, this H1 only take 200 pixel, enough. Don't take much space. By default, we are not providing the width. Automatically, headings are occupying full width of the page. Automatically, headings are occupying full width of the page. But here, I am mentioning some width. Only you take 200 pixel. There is one image. This image, I am defining the width. Hey, image, you take only 10% of the screen. 10% width of the screen. Screen width is 100%, but you occupy only 10%. Don't go for remaining 90%. Don't go for remaining 90%. That is actually width property. Height property, yeah, the same time. Height we don't define actually, but height also same. You can mention height also. Same for the image. Same for the image. Width already taken 10%, but height don't take percentage mode, only pixel mode. Height will not work out with the percentage mode. Height will work out with the pixel mode. For example, 100 px you take. For image, 100 px you take. Even width also 100 px I am taking. This is 100 px. This is 100 px. 100 into 100 image I want to take. 100 into 100. 100 into 100 means 100 width, 100 height. Am I clear? Okay, I will show programmatically. Don't confuse. I will show programmatically. Don't confuse. And padding. This padding is inner space, right? Okay, padding can be defined in the 4 states actually. Okay, padding top. Padding top side I can give some padding. Padding top I am giving 20 pixel or 10 pixel. Padding top I am defining value. Padding right I am defining value. Padding right I am defining value. And padding bottom I am defining value. Sorry. Padding bottom I am defining the value. And padding left also I am defining a value. Padding left also I am defining value. Padding will be there in 4 sides. 4 sides. Top side, right side, bottom side, left side. I will show here how padding is going to be applicable here. First, top side padding, how much you want to take. Right side padding, how much you want to take. Then, sorry, this right side and bottom side I need to give. Then left side I need to give. Observe this box. Box model, one mantra you should remember. TRBL. One mantra you should remember. TRBL. TRBL is the mantra here. TRBL is the mantra. What the mantra is? The first is top. Second is bottom. Third is, sorry, second is, this one is right.
Right, right.
This one is right. Okay, sorry, I need to erase it. How to erase it? I need to take eraser. Okay. I need to take a top right, TRBL, top right, bottom left. Why I am telling this TRBL? Later you can understand. Why I am telling TRBL? Later you can understand. But you people have to remember this TRBL mantra. TRBL mantra should work for the box model. Clockwise. This is something like clockwise, sir. How clock is running? How clock is running? How clock is running, sir?
Right to left, sir. Right to left.
Itlane kada. This is the way of
Yes,
clock
sir.
running, right? This
Same,
is the
sir.
way of clock running, right? How clock is running? Top right, bottom left. Top right, bottom left. Am I clear? Okay. So why I'm telling this, I will tell you. Okay. So here I'm individually defining the properties. That is fine. But in CSS, you can define the padding with a single value. When I say single value, it will applicable for TRBL. A single value all sides. Instead of giving padding top 10 pixel, padding right 10 pixel, padding bottom 10 pixel, padding left 10 pixel, same value, you are writing 4 properties. Instead of that, I can write single property. I can write single property like this. Padding 10 pixel. When I say padding 10 pixel, how it is applicable?
Total.
I am already writing there. If I give a single value, padding 10 pixel, I am already writing there. How it is applicable? Top, right,
Right to
bottom,
bottom.
left. Top, right, bottom, left. Automatically 10 pixel padding, leaving top side, right side, bottom side, left side. Okay. This is okay. This is fine. Let me go. Padding 10 pixel space 20 pixel. If I'm giving a values, 2 values like this. Now you tell me.
Top or right?
No. Top opposite face. What is the opposite face for the top?
Bottom.
Top bottom. Top opposite face. First value for opposite faces. Starting with the top. See, 2 values means starting point is what? Top. Immediately opposite face of the top is what? Opposite face of the top.
Bottom.
Not immediate face. Not immediate face, I'm telling. It is opposite face. Opposite face is bottom. So the first value applicable for top, bottom. Second value applicable for after top. What is the remaining one? Right, left. When you say two values, this is applicable like top, bottom, right, left. When you define two values, it is applicable for top, bottom, right, left. First one, 10 pixel, top, right, bottom, left. See my pronunciation, how my pronunciation is. Top, right, bottom, left. Here my pronunciation is different. Top, bottom, right, left. Okay, if I am giving three values, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel. This you tell me. This is confuse mode. Don't confuse. First value for top. Second value, right and left. Third value for bottom. That's it. Simple. First individual value. Second value, right, left will take. 20 pixel, right, left will take. 30 pixel, remaining one is bottom. Am I clear? Am I clear, sir?
Yes, okay, clear.
Just remember this TRBL. That is the why reason I told you. Remember the mantra TRBL. First value, single value, top, right, bottom, left, TRBL. Second, top, bottom, right, left. Third, TRLB. Okay. If I am giving four values, no question. If I am giving four values, individual values I am providing. Four values I am providing for padding.
Top right, bottom left.
Exactly. First value for top, second value for right, third value for bottom, fourth value for left. TRBL only. Not TRBL. TRBL. TRBL is something like single value. T, R, B, L. First value applicable for top, second value applicable for right, third value applicable for bottom, fourth value applicable for left. This is the way you have to remember. This is the way you have to remember. Sir, why sir this much confusion? I go with the individual properties means then you can go with the individual properties. Padding top you can define something, padding right you can define something, padding bottom you can define something, padding left you can define something. But in the real time, when you see some source code, some people are working like this and some people are working like this. But don't confuse anywhere. Sir, you said padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left. But in my project, people are actually writing like only padding. He is giving two values. I don't understand, sir. And padding, he is giving three values, sir. I don't understand, sir. That is the why reason I am deeply explaining about the padding concept. How the padding is going to be working with individual properties or with a single property. This is called single property, sir. Padding single property, but these are individual properties. Exclusively in real time, mostly people will use this one. All US people videos you see, they are straightforward writing the padding and going on. They don't explain what is padding, how padding will apply, all these things. If you see some videos in the YouTube channel or somewhere in the tutorials, they are just taking the element and writing the padding, writing the margin and going on. They don't explain what is padding, what is margin and all. But you try to understand where you need to apply the padding, where you need to apply the margin, how you can apply the padding, how you can apply the margin. That is the Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies strategy is something like different. We need to explain the subject from scratch to master level. Understand the concept in depth. Then only you keep in the mind. You need to register the concept in the mind. That is the Mohansh agenda. Next, come to the margin, outer space of element, right? Same outer space of element margin having the property same like this. Same like this. But instead of padding, I need to keep the margin. Instead of the padding, I need to keep the margin. That's it. Okay. So margin, keep the margin, margin top. Sorry, copy here. Margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left, And again, if I am giving a single value margin 10 pixel, same TRBL only, same TRBL only. And here the same TRBL and TBRL and same TRLB, same TRBL. Padding margin concept is same. Padding margin concept is same. Now come to the border, sir. Oh my God, border. You can define border in multiple ways. Basically, border have three properties. One is the border width, one is the border style, one is the border color. One is the border width, border style, border color. Now, again border width, you can say single value. You can say border width, two values. Width of the border, nothing but thickness of the border. How much thickness I need to give. Border width, again two values you can provide. Again border width, you can provide three values. Again border width, you can provide with four values. You know what is the single value, what is the two values, what is the three values, what is the four values, right? Now you tell me what is the single value. Anybody please tell what is the single value border width? Single value border width.
Top
How it
right,
will
bottom left.
exactly the same thing. Top, right, bottom, left. You have to practice this TRBL. Okay. What is this border width? 10 pixel and 20 pixel?
10 pixel top right.
No. No, Govinda Babu, no. First value, top, bottom.
Yeah, right left.
Top right.
Then right, left.
Right left. Got it.
Top opposite face. Third value. Top,
Top
Top,
right
right,
left,
left.
right left and bottom.
bottom.
Good. And this one?
Individual. Top
In
Individual.
top,
Top, top,
top right,
right,
left,
bottom, left.
left.
Exactly. In this way you can apply. Just go to the border style again. Border style. Again border style with a single value. Border style, suppose I need to give the solid, a single value, solid. How solid is applicable? Solid is a style basically. How the solid is going to be applicable now?
Same
Can't do
top right, bottom
same.
left.
All sides solid. Take solid style all sides. No, I want to go for border style. I want to take a border style, solid and dotted. Solid and dotted. Solid is one style, dotted is one style.
So if
Solid.
you're not giving solid, what is the default one then?
Default one, you have to give. Whenever you are defining the property, you need to give. Border style or property, when you say, you need to specify.
Say like if you're not specifying border style, but we are giving border width, all these things, then it will be solid or some
It
other.
will not applicable. It will not applicable.
Okay.
I already told, whenever you are defining border, compulsory you need to define three properties. Border width is required, border style is required, border color is required. If you define border, you need to define three things.
Okay.
When I say solid and dotted,
RBL only.
two solid is one style, dotted is one style. First one for
Okay.
top bottom, second one for
Right left.
right left, obviously. Third, border style, three properties. Solid, dotted, dashed. Solid, dotted, dashed. Three properties I'm defining. Three
Top
properties.
right, top right left bottom.
Exactly. Top, right, left, bottom. If I am defining four properties.
Individual top right left.
grooved. 4 properties: solid, dotted, dashed, grooved.
Top right, bottom,
Top right,
bottom
bottom left.
left.
Good, good, good. Same for border color also. Same for border color. Same like a border color. Okay, border color. Border color. Just I say red. I say red.
Top right, bottom left. All
Super. Next, border color. Border color. And I am defining green space red.
top,
First value for top. First value
right,
for
left.
top bottom. Second value for right left. Okay, same. I want to give border color red, green, blue. No commas. It's only spaces. First value for top.
Top, right, left, bottom.
Second value for right left.
Third
Third
one is
value
for
for okay. Good point. Next, border color. 4 colors I'm taking: green, red, blue, orange. The first value for top. Second value for right. Third value, third value for bottom. Fourth value for left. DR, BL separated. Oh my god, this much of code I need to write for the borders. Okay, instead of this, there is a shorthand method for the border. Shorthand method. Shorthand method for border. Okay, how to write a shorthand method for the border? Just you say border. You need to give 3 parameters. Okay, for example, I am giving 5 pixel solid red. Now you say, what is the first parameter? What is the second parameter? What is the third parameter?
first is for width, for
Hmm.
top, right, bottom, left, and the next
Solid,
is like a
solid,
style.
solid, style. First is the border width. Second
Yes,
one is the border style. Third one is the
yes,
border color.
border color.
Instead of giving the different colors, different colors, different sides means you have to go like this only. But I want to take a similar width border all sides. I want to take a similar style all sides. I want to take a similar color all sides. Then this is the formula. This is the shorthand method. Directly you can say border. Directly you can say border. Automatically it is going to be applicable all sides of your element. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? In the program I will explain this one. But in more cases in the web elements, different kind of borders, different kind of sizes, border styles, different kind of border width, people will not apply. But whenever it is required, yes, we have the plan. We have the plan. Individually you can define. Border style you define separate. Suppose I want top side, bottom side, some size, left side, right side, some size, then don't go for this property. Don't go for shorthand property. You go for individual properties. You go for individual properties. But all sides the same means one shot. All sides same width I want. All sides same height I want. All side same style I want. Just go with a direct one. Am I clear, everyone here? Is this simple? Then when we go with the program, then you can understand how the things are going to be happening with. Theoretically understand first. Then program is automatically you only write the program. Come to the border is over. Next, outline. Outline concept is same, sir. Outline as it is like border. As it is like border. You write down all the things. As it is like border. It means what? All the border properties copy. All the border properties copy down, paste. Instead of the border, anywhere border is there, there you change the value as outline. Outline width, outline width, outline width, outline width, outline width, outline style, outline style, outline style, outline color, outline color, outline color, outline color, shorthand method, outline. Am I clear, guys? Let me go to the program now. Can I go with the program? How the box model is? Save it as box model. A small program, simple program I will write down. Theory is heavy actually here. Program is very simple. Theory is heavy. We need to understand the concept is important. Okay, let me have a structure template of HTML box model. Okay, I took two paragraphs here. I took two paragraphs. Paragraph, lorem, and I want to take a one more paragraph. I took one more paragraph. Lorem. So fine. I want to apply style sheet for this. Let me apply the style sheet for this. First of all, a paragraph should have some background color. Let me have the background color black, and the text color will be white. Background color is black and text color is white. Fine. I took a paragraph, two paragraphs, and these two paragraphs I am giving a similar kind of background color, and I am taking a similar font color. Let me execute it. Let me execute it. If I execute this program, you can see two paragraphs, and these two paragraphs are having some background color, and these two paragraphs have some individual text color, but I'm giving similar background, similar style. Wait for the browser. Browser will come, and browser is going to be showing you two paragraphs which is going to be having two different colors and BG colors. I hope everybody got understand these properties. Okay, now I have two paragraphs, right? Now I have two paragraphs, right? Can I apply some padding here? Can I apply some padding here? What is the padding? Anybody? What is padding? Please respond. Respond, sir. What is padding? Inner space, exactly. So I'm taking padding 10 pixel, all sides, all sides 10 pixel gap. Here you can see paragraph taken inside, but outside, inside some gap got allocated. Top side some gap got allocated. Right side some gap got allocated, and left side also some gap got allocated, and bottom side also some gap got allocated. Okay, let me give 10 pixel change to 50 pixel or 40 pixel, 50 pixel. If I give 50 pixel padding inside, can you see this is what?
Nice.
Nice, huh? Why nice? Why
No,
nice?
we could see the change. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you can see the change. You can able to see the
Can see
change.
the change. Yeah, yeah.
Why you can able to see the change? I am giving the padding. I am
And
giving the
yes,
padding more.
it's a center
Okay.
and attractive and like yeah.
Yeah, it's good actually. Padding is needed. Okay, I don't want that much. Okay, let me take only 20 pixel. That's nice. Okay, this is good actually. 20 pixel padding, and it is looking good. It is looking good, and your text is fitting in the box. Now I will apply, by default some margin is basically taking 2 pixel. Okay, I will apply some margin now. Margin 30 pixel I'm taking. Margin 30 pixel. When I apply margin, can you see and observe from body paragraph is moving. From body paragraph is moving more. Can you see here some space got allocated? Lot of space got allocated. Okay, margin that much is not required. Just 10 pixel margin and 10 pixel padding is enough. 10 pixel margin, 10 pixel padding is enough. It is looking good. Seems good. Now I will apply a simple border property. Border border width I want to apply. Width of the border 10 pixel top bottom, 50 pixel right left. Border color also I change. Border style, okay, border style solid only, I will take all sides. And border color, let me define the different colors here. Orange and green. Orange and green. Okay, now you see this paragraphs are looking very, very beautiful with different border widths and different border styles, one border style and different border colors. Can you see and observe? My God. What is happening here, guys? What is happening here? What is happening here? It is like a movie screen, huh? 70 theater, huh? 70 theater. What's the magic here? How this paragraph is looking like this? Why? Because of border width. Border width. I took 10 and 50. If I take only 10, just it is not like a normal box, just like a normal box. But colors are changing. Colors are changing. Can you see the colors are changing? Top bottom one color, right left one color. Top bottom one color, right left one color. Am I clear, guys? No, sir. I want to do the different colors, sir. Then go with the different colors, sir. Blue and pink. Let me go pink also. All sides different colors. Top one color, right one color, bottom one color, left one color. Have you observed this? But previous one is
Yes.
good. Huh? Previous one is good. Huh? Let me keep previous one only. This one is good actually. I want my program beautiful, sir. Border width 10 pixel and 50 pixel. I want my program beautiful. If somebody sees CSS, if I am learning CSS means your designs will be, it should be uh, great and attractive. I hope everybody clear about the borders. Now, what about the margin outline? Outline is actually not calculating in real time, but you provide some outline also if you want. Outline 2 pixel or 5 pixel, solid red color. Red color outline for all the boxes. Outline means extra decoration on top of the border. Outline is going to be allowed, available. Outline is some extra package, extra packing on top of the border. Border is different. Border is different, but outline is on top of that. Outline on top, but outline nobody used in real time. No issues with that. I don't want outline. I'm just keeping the outline off, but border is enough. Am I clear this one? In this program, any confusion is there? You try to do practice with all the properties, whatever I written here, whatever the properties I written here, you try to practice all the properties. You try to practice all the properties. Okay, let me use ChatGPT. Using with ChatGPT, how I can take a simple program with a box model. Can I go? Using ChatGPT, I am asking CSS box model mini project photo gallery. This is a mini project. Okay. CSS box model mini project photo gallery. It will give the source code, take it and utilize it. Now this source code you can understand. Now this particular source code you can able to understand. Why? Because of you already know box model. You already know box model, how the properties will be. That is the why reason. That is the why reason you can able see this one you can able to understand. Okay, let's see how the code will be, and let's keep this mini project. However you want, you can use it. So different cards giving, right? You can take it. My God. Okay, copy the code. And this is a mini project using by the box model. I'm saving as mini project. Mini project. How many projects you want, you can able to create, but you need to understand the subject. First, you need to understand the subject. Then you can able to use the chat GPT and you can do magics and miracles. Magics and miracles. That's you can do. Okay. You can execute this mini project. I want this mini project beautiful. If it is not beautiful, I will ask chat GPT again. Is it beautiful or not? Simple image gallery. Simple image gallery with a box model. He is giving with the boxes. All these are boxes. Everything is card. This kind of applications you can able to create, sir. This kind of applications you can able to create. Mini projects. Try to do some mini projects using with the box model. Everybody clear? Till box model, what we done so far. There is a one more important property I need to tell you. That is border radius. Border radius. This is a very important property. This is a curved. Curves will come and apply on corners. On corners. Okay, let's see how this is going to be happening. I'm checking a new program, and this is border radius. There is a property called border radius. Radius. Okay, dot HTML. How this box border radius is going to be applicable? Border radius. Okay, let me take two input boxes or H1. Okay, let me take H1. This H1 is some text, Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies. Okay. For this H1, I want to apply some style, a background color, H1 background color, black color, and on top of that color should be white. Blackboard and white text. Color will be white. Sorry. Yeah, wheat also good. Now let's see how this is looking like. Okay, I want to make a text align center. I want to make a text align center. The first property is background color. I applied a background color. I applied a color. I applied a text alignment. Now my requirement is a border radius for this. Border radius 10 pixel, 50 pixel. How this 10 pixel and 50 pixel? How this 10 pixel and 50 pixel applicable for this box? Can you see how border radius is applicable? How the border radius is applying? Okay, I'm not taking 50 pixel here. I'm taking just 10 pixel. 10 pixel all sides, all corners. All corners 10 pixel radius taking. What is the meaning of radius? Curved border. Can you see the curved border here? Okay, I want to see in the different look and feel 10 pixel and 50 pixel. Different look and feel come. Can you see the borders now? How your element is? If you want to create your own elements like this, okay, I want to take multiple H1s here. I want to have multiple H1s. Take multiple Mohansh Technologies, multiple labels. Multiple labels you can able to create like this. How beautiful the page is, how beautiful your header is. Getting my point, guys? So please do practice all these box model properties, and this diagram, I already draw the diagram. By this diagram, you can able to understand what is the margin, what is the width, what is the horizontal space, what is the vertical space. TRBL mantra is very much important for the box model. Don't forget about the TRBL mantra. And this is the exam answer sheet, how your answer sheet is working with paddings and margins. Got my point, everyone? And please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends all the free batches related. So I am regularly telling that these are the two batches we are going to be starting on October 20th, the Diwali gift, big gift actually. You share with your friends these two batches related thing, and I will give the comment in the comment box. I will give you the group links, WhatsApp group links also. You please, anybody not joined so far in the groups, please go and join with the groups. These two are free of cost, no need to pay money. Exclusive classes actually, from 0 to master level, 0 to master level, basic to pro level, LKG to PG level. That is what actually I want to tell you people. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Comments are mandatory. Please provide your comments, valuable comments. Definitely, immediately I will reply for your comments, guys. Everybody clear? How many people are there? Govinda Babu, Janardhan, Mahesh, Rohit, Pavan, Vishnu. Any doubts so far? Please speak, guys. Okay, anyway, we'll meet tomorrow. See you, signing off.